Hey there, it's Kevin, and I wanted to give you a quick video review of this WorkEZ adjustable laptop stand. Now, I use this constantly. I have a monitor on it at the moment, but it's completely ergonomic. You can adjust it however you'd like, and you can tilt it 180 degrees so that you can see your laptop at all different angles. And a great thing about this stand that's not in the video is it has an ambidextrous mouse pad. You can connect it to the right or left, and it's just easy to use your mouse on if you want to add that to your laptop. But this laptop stand helps with your posture if you wanted to. You can raise it up so it's higher in the air so you're not bending over and looking at your laptop screen. It's more of a visible structure in front of you. Now your legs can fit underneath it. It's over 16 inches in between the two legs of the laptop stand. And this stand just gives complete mobility with anything you wanted to do, whether you wanted to put your legs underneath it or even place it on the desk like I have here. It works perfectly. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.